Go for it.
Shut up! You don't think Ryan is famous?
Cousin Ryan.
You gotta...
Hey guys, second cousin Ryder here.
Hey, what's up, YouTube friends and fam? It's Cousin Ryan. Ryder. What do we have today?
Today, we've got HexBug's junk bots.
Junk bots.
Yes.
I like the sound of junk bots.
They sound kind of transformer-y.
They do sound, and they sound kind of junky. And I
like
like junk. You can look around our studio here and see.
We like a bunch
We're
of
into
junk.
junk.
So, the main concept of these things is pretty cool. You basically just take a bunch of random stuff you'd find in, like, you know, a dump or junkyard or whatever.
They come in these dumpsters right here.
Yeah.
With a little, like, toy chain wrapped around them. You'll see this, so...
They come with, like, little trash bags with extra
Correct,
pieces
with
and
extra
stuff.
pieces in the garbage bags.
And they come with, like, little cardboard boxes and bags and all that.
Oh, yeah, there's, like, little... Like, here's
Ostrich
an egg
eggs.
carton, you know, half foods instead of whole foods. Actually, I didn't even notice that before. That's funny. Soda pop, different boxes. And so it looks like you're opening a dumpster full of garbage with all this trash in it.
And it looks like just a bunch of, like, junk parts. I mean, like,
right.
There's, like, fire extinguishers, wrenches,
and
engines, gauges, whatever.
And you get these little instructions that are basically the how-to, sort of, and then what the finished product is
Of the character.
on the other side.
And they all got, like, names and stuff. Like, I've got this little kind of, like, oven, which is a chef, which is one of my favorites. I'll see if I can get, like, a little bit of a better look at him. But his name is Bernie.
Bernie. I get it.
Yeah.
This one looks sort of like a monkey with a monkey tail, and it's got, like, an electrical theme. His name is Watts, and he comes with... There's other little features. Hold on, I'm going to bounce around here, sorry. There's another one called Smitty, and we got Smitty here
Already
hooked up to... Hopefully it stays together. One thing I've noticed with these, two things. The process of putting these together, I find, and we talked about this as we were building these, I find that building Lego sets is super calming to me. Like, that's one of those, like, it's just quiet. I'm here. I can put something together. It's just I don't know.
It's
super calming for me. It works for me. It's low stress. It's an activity. There's a finished product. I just enjoy it. I find something similar with these, except there's the frustration of correct. The parts don't always fit together properly, and they fall apart. So I'm going to be very careful with this guy here. You can see how the light... Sorry, it's so bright here, maybe you can't see. See, there you go. His freaking leg fell off already.
Do one turn, like, the studio lights off?
Hit that switch. You're going to have to turn that fill light back on when... Well... Can't reach that.
I think you can see it.
You guys can see how it lights up. All right, flip it back on. So there's a little lighting kit here that's got the little what do you call it? Like a fiber optic tubes that plug into the back of his little eyeballs and stuff. It's kind of fun.
And then you got, like, it usually is like a little motor type thing. And so this guy, he's got like a little mouth that moves. So when you turn it on, looks like you
That's one of my favorites of the ones you got. Yeah. This one here, again, like I said, is a little monkey. His motor, and you kind of got to adjust him sometimes so that his little head goes up and down. And all the motor is, it's interchangeable with a lot of the figures. You get one motor and one light kit.
Sometimes you get like a different little electrical piece. I don't remember what it is, though.
I don't know if you guys can see that. There's just a tiny little switch with a gear that spins on it.
Super simple, but super fun. I mean, I've got like this little, like, dinosaur. Its name was Dina. It's got like a vacuum head, tennis shoe foot, got a little trowel on the toe, fork, spoon, umbrella on the like fin.
So of this set, the one I like the most, kind of has this Johnny Five vibe.
Oh yeah.
His body is a motorcycle engine. There's all kinds of little parts on his arms. His neck is a piston. And then he had this, like, welding hood that goes on his head here, but I like him better with a broom for, like, a mohawk. I like his head better without the welding helmet on, though.
Like I said, very Johnny Five alive.
That's right. But I can't remember now. If you've made it this far, right. This is the third time. Is it the third time or the fourth time we tried this video?
Third or fourth, I don't remember.
Third or fourth. first I screwed up and we had to start over because I flubbed too many words, and I'm like, dude, this is horrible. Should we start over? And of course, Ryder said, no, let's just go with it. And we had a long enough dialogue about whether we should start over or not. We needed to start over. And then I think I may have goofed something else up again.
I think I goofed something up at one point.
The last time.
Mm-hmm.
The microphone didn't get turned on. We got a couple minutes into the video, and I looked at the monitor, and there was no audio waves going up and down. And I went, dude, the microphone's
Thank
not
God
on.
we didn't get through
So
it very
this is
far.
the third or fourth time we've gone through this, so I can't remember if this time we had mentioned or not. Ryder and I, the other day, had bought 2 sets of these, and that's what led us to this right here.
Mm-hmm.
We had so much fun building them. And we filmed the build process of the other sets. We've got a couple of the little guys around here and up there hidden around the set here. But we've got video of that, so we're going to tack that on to the end of this if you guys are curious. I mean, it's really super mindless. I don't even know how well it was filmed, but we both agreed.
We had like the GoPro set up just so you can kind of see on the
See
table
what we were doing, yeah.
Kind of the process of what it was.
Yeah, and it's, again, if you want to hang out with us while we build some of these, it's worth sticking around. But don't expect, an Academy Award-winning performance or anything.
Like,
the other thing, too, go ahead.
It was like us just sitting there, either being
Sitting
quiet
there.
or complaining about pieces don't fit together,
Right.
or how cool certain pieces are. Because you get like a lot of extra pieces sometimes. Like in the last set,
That's
I feel
true.
Like
one
I
of
feel
these
like we
still
got.
has... No, that's not
I
it.
think it's the bottom one.
Is it? Yeah. These are the little trash bags that some of the parts come in.
Yeah, this one is. Let's see if I can get it.
If they spill, that's alright. We'll pick them up.
Yeah, there's like a bunch of extra pieces in there, and then all the trash that we mentioned earlier.
Yeah. There's one other thought I had about that.
So if you don't like the characters that are here, or like they give you the instructions for, you can ultimately just do whatever.
Oh, there's a lot of room for customization and creativity
yeah.
here for sure. And I will admit, I mean, it says, one of these says ages, 5 to 5 up?
Mm-hmm.
I don't even care. Like, this is fun. I don't
Oh,
care
yeah.
how old you are, whatever.
The design of it is
just
cool.
let go of, we're too old for that. No, you're never too old for any of this fun stuff. It's all good. What I was going to say, though, about the video we're going to tack on to the end of this, it was getting pretty late that night.
It was.
And I think we were getting a little tired, so we probably weren't as lively as we could be. But
at least like how we are now.
Are we lively right now?
I think more than that video.
I've got a little caffeine in my system right now, too. That cherry Pepsi was pretty on point.
After the Pogo grinds.
We've been playing a lot of Pokemon Go lately, too. It's been fun.
Mm-hmm.
It's been a good time. It's been a good summer so far. We're
So
only
far.
a couple weeks in. I got nothing else to add. These are fun.
Oh, yeah.
They were, if you are interested in these, Best Buy had them for $12.99 a box.
Target had them for about $20 to $25, depending on which set.
It was $19.99 or $23.99. I
Yeah.
think the newer set was $23.99, but they're both the same, right?
Yeah, they're basically.
No, one of them comes with 50 pieces, and the other one comes with 60.
But one of them,
which is
you
weird.
get 4 out of 24 characters, and the other one
Right.
you get 4 out of 36.
So
And I found like similar pieces between some of them, but I'm not totally like the characters themselves are not familiar at all.
yeah.
Like, I
The
think-
4 out of 36 says random, light module, motion module included, unlock, search, build, and then I don't know if you noticed the 4 out of 24 says the factory collection, and I think is that the one we just opened or was that
Yeah, we did the 24s.
Okay, so we excuse me, unboxed the factory collection.
And so far, I mean, with these ones specifically, like because we both got them, I noticed some similarities. Because this is one of the dudes I got. His name was Chirp. It's supposed to be like this little grasshopper, I think, or cricket or whatever. But Watt, they have like the same
body
style.
like a transformer. I
Kind
mean,
of.
not like Optimus Prime transformer, but an actual like electrical transformer.
Yeah. I mean, nothing wrong with it because they're used
No,
in
it's
different ways,
cool.
which is pretty sweet.
And that's what's fun. It gives you ideas of how... I just noticed the dinosaur here. The claw marks in the suitcase. That's pretty cool. See if you can show that to the camera.
Yeah.
There's like either Freddy Krueger or a Velociraptor.
Went into it.
What's his name say in the first Transformers movie? No, man, that's something Freddy Krueger's got 4 claws. That's only got I forget now.
Oh, Wolverine.
Yeah, Wolverine. That's it. Yeah, yeah. That's right. Because I think
I think that was the
what's his
second
name
one.
says, "Oh man, does Freddy Krueger been in here?" And he's all, "No man, that's Wolverine, man. Freddy Krueger, or something like that."
I think that was the second one with Skids and Mudflap when they were talking about the.
No. It was when they went into the military base and they put the cell phone in the little.
Oh yeah.
You know, the little case there to
That's right.
turn it into a transfer. Anyway, rambling on. All right, these are fun. Like I said, it's a different build process than Legos, but it's still for me that same kind of fun, calming, like.
Oh yeah.
You know.
There's a variety of stuff.
Now it is getting
it.
tired. My caffeine is starting to wear off now. All right, we're gonna tack on last night's video to this one. Hope you guys enjoy hanging out with us, and yeah, that's it. Enjoy.
See ya. Hey guys, Said Cousin Ryder here.
Hey, what's up, YouTube friends and fam? It's Cousin Ryan.
And today we went to Best Buy and we saw these junk bots by HexBug. It's like these little mystery buildable packs, I guess. I don't know. They looked fun.
They did look fun. They look fun.
Kind of odd. Like, I like the design of it. They got a little lock and chain on it.
That is pretty cool.
Let's see.
Oh, you cheated.
I didn't cheat.
Yeah, you did.
It's my environment. I'm smart.
This guy's got a sharp little screw over here as I'm trying to...
It's kind of cool. It's like, I mean, it's like a little rubber chain.
Oh, it is rubber, huh?
Whoa.
The box, it looks like a dumpster.
Yeah.
Looks like a dumpster that's locked with a...
And the top isn't like over exaggerated because a lot of the stuff that you see on the top are in it.
It looks like it's full of junk.
Mm-hmm.
So there's like little trash.
Little trash bags.
Trash bags.
Which I'm assuming have like the parts for whatever we're building.
Yep. We gotta clean the stains off this table. All this food we've been reviewing and eating out here.
Whoa, there's like a bunch of stuff.
Dude, I see something in your box that I want.
Uh-oh. Whoa. Okay, it's like joints. It's a lot of like instructions for, I'm assuming the ones that we got.
It even comes with little like unmade boxes.
Mm-hmm. No, at least someone was considerate enough to break them down. This drawn out. These are a lot like bigger than I thought they were going to be.
Yeah.
I expect them to be like full figures. Or quite this full, I should say.
Do you recognize this guy?
No.
You know they used to put missing kids on milk cartons?
Yes. Yes, I did.
Did they still do that when you were a kid?
I don't know.
Oh.
Wasn't on any of the milk we bought.
Yeah, I don't remember. Okay, here's all the instructions.
I do know Walmart has like a wall where...
Oh, yeah, I've seen that at Walmart. Yeah. Dang, there is all kinds of stuff in here.
Yeah. This was a lot more than I thought. And these were fairly, like, they weren't very expensive at all.
No, they were what, like $12
Yeah.
each?
I think on Amazon they were like 20 or so. weren't
Yeah. Yeah, they were.
Oh my.
Oh, did you see there is a little perforation in the bag right there?
Oh, I did not see that. That would make things a little bit easier.
These are kind of ridiculous. Like, I had no idea these were even, like, a thing.
Mm-hmm.
Just a dumpster with garbage, and you build little robots out of the garbage.
Yeah.
What will they think of next?
Honestly, hopefully more stuff like this. Jeez. Honestly, I would probably plan ahead with these because some of them are a little difficult to open.
What did these instructions say? Oh wow, these actually take batteries and stuff? Really? Oh, what? Something here's supposed to light up.
Ooh. Whoa.
Dude, you know what I want?
What?
The fish bones. That's
Oh,
awesome.
really?
That's so cool.
Oh my god.
The little fish bones.
There's a lot, like, in this.
There really is.
Hold on. Dude, the mailbox opens.
Nice.
This is a lot of, like, cool, like, little tiny details. So, let's see. There we go.
It's just like a little airplane engine of some kind.
Yeah, a little turbine. I got, like, an engine block in mine.
I got a washing machine here.
Like an electrical panel. Huh.
Dude.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Little vibrating mechanism.
Mm-hmm.
Light. There's a light.
Whoa.
There's one that lights up. Alright, let's see.
And I figure you can probably, like, you don't have to, like, exactly follow the instructions with these. You can probably make your own.
Yeah, I'm going to try to follow him for now.
Yeah.
Let's see what's working on this guy. Actually, I want to... Sorry, work on this one.
Let's see. These don't feel like cheap, like, at all. Like, these feel pretty sturdy. At least to me. I know you're a little bit more picky with plastic.
See if that fits in there.
Little claw. Might not open the bag yet.
Whoops. Some of these little, like, ball joints don't snap
Oh, there we go.
together too well.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It's okay, though. Hmm. 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 Dude, do you have this on any of your instructions? It didn't happen to bounce over out of my stuff, did
I
it?
think it did, because I'm not seeing it on any of my
Okay,
stuff.
because I've got one over here. If you need it, let me know. I'm going to use it right here.
Okay,
Though.
I don't think I do. Trying to figure out something.
Dang, some of these just don't, like, snap together right.
I've had like a little trouble getting them in, but they fit for the most part.
What?
So I got my first two finished, and they've got like these little, like, I guess, just slots in the back. And I got this one, which is like a little motor, so it goes. That little like propeller. It's pretty sweet. I believe that one was Buzzard. They all got like little names. Cool little dude.
Supposed to have another little gear here somewhere. Oh, no, that ain't it. It's kind of fun looking through all the parts and stuff too.
Yeah.
Not seeing the one I'm looking for though.
What are you looking for?
This little one right there. Is that it? No.
Let me see. This one? I may have an etch.
Yeah, that's
or
it.
Something.
Shit. These don't stay together too well.
I haven't had a problem with
Really?
them. Yeah. I bet you one of your little joint pieces probably fell down.
There was a little claw one I heard hit the ground earlier. What does that thing look like to you? Is that this?
Yeah.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, it is.
Huh. This is the first problem I'm having with one of them.
Where's that little motor you had that you plugged into that one?
This one?
Did I get one of those?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe not.
Don't push it in too hard.
Oh, I see. Oh, it just turns his arm.
Yours doesn't tend to it very, or mine doesn't tend to yours very well. There we go.
Thanks for letting me play with that.
Mm-hmm.
There's the first one I've got built. Put together with electronics, little computer.
Oh yeah, a little
boombox.
PC tower.
Yeah. He kind of looks like he's saying, please just let me die.
Why do you think that?
I don't know. He just doesn't look happy. He doesn't look healthy. Okay, next. Next.
God dang. Oh my god. My tires went flying under you. Hey, my wheel's gone.
I heard it hit the floor.
Well, yeah, and then it rolled away. Oh, I bet that's what this thing was for.
Ha!
You know, it probably works better with both wheels, but... Cool. This is the... That's one. I don't exactly know how to describe him, but... He's vibing. Trucking along.
Oh, I see. Saw that.
No, you did. Did you lose something?
Yeah, I dropped this little horn way back in the beginning.
Mm-hmm. Alright. Got this weird little dog giraffe thing. Just kind of here.
Got this little, what would you call that? Like a bowl
I guess, yeah.
made out of a washing machine and a safe and a bunch of other junk parts. Alright.
What are you thinking so far?
It's kind of fun. It's off the wall.
For sure.
Super off the wall, but that's cool.
I feel like this is like a cool little like desk toy if you like to kind of fidget and do
Oh
whatever.
yeah, definitely. No, I'm enjoying this for sure. For sure.
For store.
It's kind of fun trying to like find the parts and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, there's nope. That's still not the other gear I was looking for. Huh. I was just looking to see if you had.
That was my last one. So like a little engine block head, kind of like a tripod, little body.
Oh, it's probably the end of the memory card on that one.
Uh-oh.
Oh well.
It's kind of cool looking. I like his little paper hat, you know, newspaper and stuff. There's still plenty of like leftover parts if you want to like, you know, come up with something. There's like this little fish skeleton. It's like a little Game Boy.
What? Oh, that's awesome.
A keyboard guitar. Throw that on someone.
You see where my little webbed foot went for this duck?
Oh. Look like, go put your hand under the couch. Other side. A little bit further back. Yeah, there's two things right there. I don't know.
That's your tire you were looking for.
Was that the web plate you were looking for?
Yep. Ooh.
Knocking everything over.
Yep. Yup.
Now he's got a second wheel. I want to see exactly how he zooms around. It's not exactly the fastest, but he's going. Short on now.
Oh, I was looking for this.
Is that like your chicken leg?
Yeah. And then...
It seems like there's plenty of different ones you can get.
What is... Oh, it's this. You see, so here's this little funny chicken looking thing made out of a turbine.
Where's his foot?
And it won't stay on. See if I'm like, check it out, see if I'm like not putting it on there right. I don't think it fits.
Let me see the instructions for this guy.
Oh, they're right there.
The kiwi. It's gotta be kind of on there at like a very certain angle.
Ooh. Breaking stuff.
Some of them don't quite fit together where they're supposed to.
I know. I'm a little bit disappointed in that.
I mean, not exactly, expecting perfection with them or
Oh,
whatever.
I am. I'm expecting a ton of perfection, right? Just kidding.
I mean, for what they are, they're pretty good.
No, they're fun. These are fun.
I feel like you just got a bad piece
Yeah.
on this foot.
Yeah, it seems like it, huh?
There we go. I don't stand up on his own, but. I like the little pre-made characters they got, but I mean, there's definitely like a bunch of stuff you can do with them. And did you get the light one?
Yeah.
And that's what these little tubes are for. So you can run like the light through it.
Whoops. Yeah, like, what do you call it? Fiber optics.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, see?
Oh, that's cool. That's really cool.
What?
Oh, that's cool.
When the lights all through.
Alright, here's the last one I got. It's made out of like little beach things. This crumpled up like beach sign's supposed to stick to his leg, but the peg just doesn't quite. The peg's too small, so it doesn't like
Are you
hold
sure
it.
you're doing it in the right one?
Yeah. Well,
Oh.
it just comes out. But that's what he's supposed to look like anyway. Cool, bud.
Yeah.
Well, that was a good call on these. These were fun to put together.
Yeah. Definitely a little off the wall, but
Oh yeah.
they're very unique and there's a lot of
I like
possibilities with what you
the
can
creativity
do with
with it.
It's like Legos, but
I was gonna say it's sort of like Legos, but not quite as
not
like
as limitless.
intuitive. Awesome.
Yeah, I like these.
I got a little toilet paper roll here.
Yeah, there's a bunch of like
Extra
random
pieces. You got a little boot.
Mm-hmm.
Little boot's kind of cool. That and the fish bones remind me of the candy you used to be able to get in like trash cans.
Oh really?
There was like a little fish bone, little boot, little can. It's kind of cool. That was fun, man.
Yeah.
I enjoyed it. I'm glad you spotted these. I'm gonna. Sorry, I keep coughing. For all the extra parts.
Yeah, I like the containers because it's not like. I mean, it's not exactly the trash can itself doesn't feel the most secure or whatever, but I mean, it's pretty cool.
Yeah.
This is something I could see myself saving the instructions to and
Maybe I should probably do that.
make my own and then remake them or whatever. For some reason, I got 2 instructions for the same dude. I don't know if you did, but
No.
for Allie,
I did
the
not.
little dog thing. And then I
Cool.
got Surge, Buzzer.
Save these as well. Well, I think I'm going to use mine in the background, our YouTube background.
Oh yeah.
Cool. Fun.
Yeah.
That was fun.
Yeah.
Dude, this one, I like this one right here.
The little
You got
engine.
some cool ones.
I think my favorite's this one. I figured out the LEDs.
Oh yeah, the lights on the back. That's awesome.
Is that like the little power box?
Yeah. That little like lizard thing with the pterodactyl head.
I think it's supposed to be a dog. I'm not
Is
totally
it?
sure. I don't know.
It looks like Swoop from Transformers.
It does, like in the head a little bit.
A little bit. Cool.
Maybe,
Yeah, I can totally see like if your friends had these, you could trade parts and pieces and stuff.
Yeah, or just get a bunch of them. Like,
Dude, his hat's awesome.
yeah, I'm almost tempted to like go and get more just to have them. Cause it says on these you get 4 characters out of 36.
Mm-hmm.
And
there was no more at Best Buy right now though, was there?
No, there was just these 2.
Well, we
but
can keep an eye out.
we got them for like what, 12, 13 bucks
yeah,
or so.
I think they're $12.99.
And on Amazon, I think they're 20.
Yeah, they were $19.99.
Yeah. So I mean,
cool.
if you can, I mean, I'm sure there are probably other places, but if you can find them in stores, they're probably a little bit cheaper. But
which is unusual that Best Buy was cheaper than Amazon, but
yeah.
Cool.
Mhm.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Good times. Well, thanks, bud. I'm glad you spotted those. That was fun.
Yeah. I enjoyed it.
Yeah, me too. All right. Until next time, be excellent to each other.
See ya.
You know, say it's cousin Ryan on the Hollywood Boulevard. You know, say he bigger than any superstar. All of us spit you some real dope bar. Some them sweeter than any chocolate bar. Boom! Hey.